Hi, my name's David Wright, and for the last 23 years, I've been living and working in Spain, and I've helped hundreds of people move to Spain in that time. I do know how difficult it can be and some of the problems that people have. There's lots of information out there on the internet at the moment, and a lot of it is very confusing. That is why I've set up my private membership site to help people follow their dream of living and working in Spain. On my membership site, I've got top experts in many different fields that can help advise my members on my site. Whatever it is that you think is stopping you from moving to Spain, I'm sure that we have got a solution. Once you become a member on my membership site, you get access to the top experts. You can have a free consultation with all of them. I've also got many other benefits like free Spanish lessons, PDF files that you can download, which are designed to help you save money and stress when moving to Spain. Whether you're buying in Spain, renting in Spain, looking for the right visa, all the information is there in one place. And you can access me 24 hours a day to ask me questions and get quick answers. Come and have a look at all the benefits to this membership site over on the membership site now. Click the link below this video or above here and come and see what you can get once you become a member of my membership site. Dreams really can come true if you work and take action. Now is the time to start taking action.